everyone. So this is week 2 now of our online learning. Apologies for not getting an assembly up last week. It wasn't very well, but back in the full swing of things now. So really positive, and everything that I've heard over the last week has also been really positive. Just a few things I need to run through with you this week, just on the note of firstly on online lessons. So as you know, all your lessons are online now. You won't be getting any homework, but all of your lessons will be through on Show My Homework. It'll tell you exactly what you need to know. Now, in order to make sure you're getting logged into Show My Homework and into Microsoft Teams, you must sign in with your school email, which is your username for the school computers. Then you just add in that at theforestacademy.co.uk, and the password is exactly the same. Now, I know a lot of you are not having problems now, but just in case you are and you manage to log yourself out of Show My Homework at some point, this is exactly how you log your way back in. You must log on every day, guys. Every day, 9 a.m. We are checking almost daily now to see who's been logged on, and we're keeping an eye on that. It is a normal school day, so please make sure you are up and ready for school at 9 o'clock. If you are having any problems with your password, you need to contact admin at theforestacademy.co.uk, and you'll probably get a call back from Mr. Roper to go through that with you. If it's anything to do with Show My Homework, then just let me know. But if you are having issues accessing laptops or the internet, then please let the school know, because we can issue you one to loan. It's really not a problem at all. It might be simply that you've maybe broken yours and you can't get one in time because of lockdown. So just drop me an email or give the school a call, and we shall get that sorted out for you. So if you haven't worked it out already, how your lessons work, you need to access your timetable and follow your timetable lesson by lesson. So we're currently on week 1. Some of your lessons you will find pre-recorded and upload on Show My Homework, and others will be live lessons during your normal time that you would have that lesson. If you don't understand anything on the pre-recorded lessons, just write a comment to your teacher and they'll respond when they're free. And if your work requires to be submitted, this must be done via Show My Homework straight after the lesson. So if you're unsure of how to do that, there is a submission tab when you click on the description of the work, and you click on that and enter your work there. Every lesson your teachers are taking a register. They then forward that on to us. We check that, and that is also checked in the normal way that a register is done in school. So I expect you to attend every lesson. I expect you to complete all the pieces of work. You're expected to engage in online lessons as normal, and you're expected to behave sensibly in those lessons. So the expectations are no different to what I have for you when you're in school, what you have for yourself when you are in school. So being online should be no different. And actually the feedback I'm getting from teachers is really, really positive, and I'm really, really proud of you. If I come back to the submissions, so over 20 pieces of work have been submitted during this period, and they are the students there. Amazing. Okay, I've got lots of people still with 0 or 1 or 2 submissions. Please let me know if there's a problem, if you're unsure of how to do that. I'm happy to show you. There is also a little help tab on Show My Homework, which will show you how to do that. So just click on that. If you still don't understand, drop me a line. I'll happily give you a call and walk you through it. But let's just celebrate and focus on these. Absolutely amazing. I'm very, very proud of you. Well done. I know there are obviously some people that are submitting slightly lower numbers, but these in particular, it's exceptional. Well done. Some special shout outs. So Miss Bolage for Tech, Melda, who got her mum involved in the challenge which she'd set them, and they worked it out together and succeeded in solving the tangrams. And there's a little picture there that was sent in to Miss, and she thought that was impressive to forward on to me. Couple more we've got from English, Miss Ahmed, Melda, Justness, Igor for regularly submitting excellent work, which demonstrates the effort they have put in as well as their talent as writers. Well done, guys. I've heard about this whilst in school, so it's really good to see you're continuing that. Then we've got Samara, Ritaj, Gary Ann, Paulina, Nikita, Molly, Charlie, Mohammed, Tabor, Abdullah, Ryan, Hannah, all for consistently handing in your work on time via Show My Homework. Excellent, guys. Well done. Miss Baines says, Brandon Tristan, knows us for fantastic engagement during the lesson and for giving impressive answers. She even phoned me after that lesson to tell me how excited she was with how good you were. So well done, guys. Miss Hart for art, Sia for submitting an excellent art project. As you can see it there, really impressive. Well done, Sia. Right, if you ever need me for anything, whether it is anything to do with your homework or you just want a little bit of support, you want to chat, I'm happy to catch up with you on Teams. Just drop me a line. There's my email address, j.hewitt@theforestacademy.co.uk, or you can leave me a line on Show My Homework or on Teams, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Well, take care, guys. Have a very good week.